I'm Sophia from the Marion Field to Play 60 team. Today I will be showing you how to make the Power Berry Parfait. The ingredients, the fruit we need today are peach. They could be frozen or fresh. You will need 3 peaches. You're going to need yogurt, plain, fat, and it's yogurt and plain and low fat. You will need raw raspberries, and you're going to need raw blueberries. 12 raw blueberries and 7, 8, or 9 raw raspberries. For the equipment, you will need a measuring cup, a measuring spoon, 4 small bowls, a medium-sized cup, bowl, or jar, a cutting board, and a butter knife. So to get started, you get all your fruit and you pour it, put it into a bowl, wash it. I already did that, so I will be just showing you the next step. You get your peach. You should cut off some of it. So you start out something like this. You cut off some part of it and you're gonna have this. And then you cut it into small, thin pieces. Then you cut it into small, thin pieces one more time. So I already did that, so the final look should be around this many peaches. So now you get your cup, jar, bowl, whatever I'm using the cup. You pour 2 tablespoons of yogurt in it. You could use the real tablespoon thingy. You can use a spoon. I prefer spoons because they're easier to scoop. You put it in one time. Put 1 tablespoon one time, and then you put another tablespoon in another time. You should just let it settle to the bottom of the jar. And then you get your peaches. Now you kind of just, put them in there. So once you've done that, it should look something like this. It's going to be layered. The peaches are layered onto the yogurt. It's a yogurt and then a layer of peaches. After that, you get the yogurt again, tablespoon, whatever. You grab it and you pour it in again. Once again, you put 2 of them, first tablespoon, and this is the second. Now you can just let it settle on top of the peaches. Now what you do is you grab your blueberries, which you should have here, 12 of them. You get them. You put them on top of the yogurt, kind of like the peaches, except for we're using blueberries. And then it should look something like this from the outside and this from the inside. Okay? Now, the final thing, you get 2 tablespoons once again of yogurt. You pour them into the cup on top of the blueberries. You do it once. You do it again. Now you can just let it go on top of the blueberries. Now you get your raspberries. You put them on top of the last layer of yogurt. It should look something like this. And then this is your final result. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you do this and hope you like it. Thank you for listening. Bye.